Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing an authentic and healthy South Indian curry, Paruppu Urundai Kuzhambu with Murungai Keerai, that is lentil balls curry with drumstick leaves. Let's get started. First, wash 1 cup of drumstick leaves thoroughly. Soak 1 cup of Bengal gram, that is Kadalai Paruppu, for 3 to 4 hours. Also soak a small gooseberry sized piece of turmeric in a cup of water. In a blender, add the soaked Bengal gram, 2 dry red chillies, 2 chopped garlic cloves, half teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/8 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon grated coconut and a few curry leaves. Grind everything to a slightly coarse and thick paste using just a little water. Transfer this to a bowl and add half a finely chopped onion, the washed drumstick leaves, salt to taste and a pinch of asafoetida. Mix well everything. Now shape the mixture into small lime-sized balls and steam them for about 10 minutes or until fully cooked. While the balls are steaming, let's prepare the curry base. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame oil in a pan. Add 2 cloves, a small piece of cinnamon, with a bit of star anise and a little kalpasi. Let it sizzle for a few seconds. Add onion, crushed garlic and few curry leaves, a pinch of asafoetida and salt. Saute until the onions turns translucent. Then add tomato, cover with a lid and cook until the tomatoes turn soft and messy. Grind half cup of grated coconut, 1 teaspoon roasted Bengal gram, half teaspoon fennel seeds and half teaspoon poppy seeds to a smooth paste. Now back to the pan. Once the tomatoes are mushy, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of Kulambu Milagai Thool or red chilli powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Saute well until the raw smell of the spices goes away. Then add the turmeric water along with 1 cup of regular water. Bring it to a boil and let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Now add the coconut ground paste and cook for another 5 minutes. Check for salt and spice at this stage and adjust as needed. The lentil balls should be ready by now. Add them gently to the curry, cover and cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. I used only 15 balls in the curry and saved the rest to make paruppu usili later. Finally, garnish with chopped coriander leaves and turn off the heat. The gravy should be slightly watery at this stage. The lentil balls will absorb the liquid and thicken it naturally over time. And that's it. Our healthy and flavorful Murungai Keerai Paruppu Urundai Kuzhambu is ready to serve. I served it with hot white rice, carrot beans poriyal and curd on the side. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and travel vlogs. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.